We are going to use this sensor to detect the temperature of objects. Let's wire it up to make a test. Connect the sensor to your notebook using jumper wires. Connect ground pin to ground, VCC pin to 5 volts, SDA pin to A4, SCL pin to A5. Connect the board to computer with a USB cable. Then, take a look at the sample code in the file. You can see it includes 2 libraries. Right-click Arduino IDE, select Open File Location. You can see that we have placed the file inside Arduino Libraries folder. Next, open Arduino IDE. Directly copy the code from supporting file and paste them here. Click Tools. For board, select Arduino Uno. For port, select COM30A. Click Verify to compile the code. If compiling successfully, click Upload to upload the code to the board. Finally, you can see the current temperature value on the serial monitor. Then, close a bag filled with hot water to the sensor. You can see the temperature changing. Thanks for watching.